COSWHEEL Ebike GT20. The 2023 COSWHEEL Ebike GT20 is a motorcycle-inspired electric bike that packs serious power. It comes equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, capable of peaking at 500 watts and delivering a continuous output of 1000 watts. This power allows the GT20 to handle inclines and rough terrain effortlessly, thanks to the impressive 80 Nm of torque. You have the option to choose between pedal assist, which offers 5 levels, or use the throttle-only mode to ride at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This flexibility makes it great for different riding styles, whether you prefer to pedal or simply cruise. Powering this impressive e-bike is a 48 volts 25 Ah lithium battery. In pedal assist mode, you can travel as far as 87 miles on a single charge. That makes the GT20 perfect for extended adventures, especially off-road. The front suspension fork and full rear suspension make sure the bike can handle rough trails. These features absorb bumps, keeping your ride smooth and comfortable. Plus, the 20 by 4 inch wide knobby tires provide excellent grip on loose or uneven surfaces, giving you the confidence to tackle tough terrain. For safety, the GT20 comes with hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring strong stopping power in all conditions, whether it's wet, muddy, or dry. The COSWHEEL Ebike GT20 is available for $1,699, offering a solid combination of power, durability, and comfort for any adventure you plan to take. Rambler All Terrain. Introducing the TerraTrike Rambler All Terrain, a recumbent trike built for adventure. This trike breaks free from the limits of paved roads, opening up a whole new world of off-road exploration. Picture yourself gliding down scenic dirt roads, tackling light hiking trails, or smoothly navigating gravel paths. The Rambler All Terrain is designed for just that. Its wide track and large 24-inch wheels, equipped with aggressive treads, ensure great stability. You can conquer bumps and uneven terrain with ease. The lightweight chromoly steel frame adds to the trike's responsive feel, giving you an easy and enjoyable ride. Plus, the breathable mesh seat provides comfort, even on longer journeys. Safety is a priority, and the Rambler All Terrain delivers with its standard disc brakes, offering strong and reliable stopping power. What's more, it's compatible with a wide range of TerraTrike accessories. This means you can customize it to meet your specific needs, whether for added storage, extra comfort, or enhanced functionality. The Rambler All Terrain is perfect for both casual riders looking to explore new paths and experienced adventurers seeking off-road thrills. It's your key to unlocking unforgettable adventures. As for the price, it may vary depending on the retailer, but you can expect it to be in a similar range across the board. The Stator LE. The Stator LE is a high-performance electric scooter, designed to be a leading solution in micromobility. It's marketed as an engineering marvel, offering a top speed of over 30 miles per hour, which outperforms many of its competitors. Its design focuses on both aesthetics and functionality. The bright and easy-to-read instrument cluster keeps you informed at a glance. One of its standout features is the single-sided collapsible yoke, which makes storage simple and convenient. The deck is customizable, allowing riders to personalize their scooter, and the real carbon fiber fenders not only add style but also provide extra protection for a smoother ride. The large crowned tires improve cornering and help reduce road noise, making your ride more enjoyable. However, there are some downsides to consider. Information about the battery life and weight is limited, and its high price tag may be a concern for some buyers. Eon Scooter Pro. The Eon Scooter Pro combines affordability with high-end design. It's a standout in electric transportation. With its futuristic look, this scooter enhances city life. Thanks to its sturdy build and sine wave controllers, it accelerates smoothly. It stays stable, even at high speeds, due to the zero-wobble stem. The red LED lights on the deck improve visibility for riders. For those seeking speed, the Blade X Pro model can reach an impressive 45 miles per hour. The tall stem and broad handlebars offer better control and comfort, especially for taller riders. The scooter's sleek design features black silicone buttons, enhancing usability. The flashing turn signal indicates that safety is a top priority. However, there are a few points to consider. ACTBEST Race Peak. The ACTBEST Race Peak is an electric bike built for adults who want both power and speed. Whether you're commuting to work or going for a leisurely ride, this bike is designed to make your experience smooth and exciting. At the heart of the Race Peak is a 750-watt motor, which gives you a thrilling boost. With a top speed of 22 miles per hour, it's fast enough to get you where you need to go quickly, but still safe for daily use. The bike comes with a 48-volt, 12-hour removable battery. On a full charge, this battery can last up to 50 miles, which is perfect for longer rides without needing to stop and recharge. The fact that it's removable also makes charging more convenient, especially if you need to charge it away from the bike. One of the standout features of the Race Peak is its fat tires. These thick tires offer great grip and stability, making it easy to ride on different types of terrain, whether it's pavement, gravel, or even a bit of off-road adventure. The bike's folding design makes it easy to store and transport. If you live in a small space or need to bring your bike with you on the go, you'll find this feature especially useful. For a smoother ride, the Race Peak includes an 8-speed Shimano shifter and front fork suspension. These features make it easy to adjust your speed and absorb shocks from bumps in the road, giving you a more comfortable experience. In terms of safety, the bike is equipped with a few essential features. The removable battery isn't just for convenience, it's also a security feature, ensuring that your bike's power source can be safely removed when needed. Overall, the ACTBEST Race Peak combines power, speed, and convenience, making it a great choice for anyone looking for an electric bike that can handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Razer Rambler 20. Travel in style and comfort with the Razer Rambler 20. This is Razer's most powerful electric bike yet. It features a padded bench seat, large balloon tires, and a durable steel frame. The design is inspired by classic mopeds, ensuring a smooth ride on any terrain. With the Rambler 20, you have 3 riding options. You can pedal manually, use electric pedal assist, or let the 500W motor do the work. On a single charge, you can reach speeds of up to 19.9 miles per hour and travel up to 16.6 miles. Safety and convenience are key features. The bike comes equipped with an LED headlight and taillight, front and rear disc brakes, and a dashboard display. This display shows your speed, battery life, and power level. If you're looking for an electric bike that handles city streets with ease and offers exciting features, the Rambler 20 is a great choice. You can get yours at Best Buy for just $999. BeTriton introducing the Z-Triton. Meet the Z-Triton, a game-changer for thrill-seekers, nature lovers, and sustainability advocates. Imagine this: a fully electric amphibious camper trike. It easily transforms from a cargo bike to a motorboat, and even a cozy tiny home. Whether you want an adventure on land or a day on the water, the Z-Triton offers emission-free exploration with plenty of fun. Picture yourself drifting off to sleep in a comfy hardtop camper. It's spacious enough for you and your furry friend. You can cook indoors or enjoy a meal outside under the open sky. Imagine watching movies surrounded by the tranquility of nature on a peaceful lake. Or think about exploring hidden treasures on remote islands. The Z-Triton isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's designed to create smiles and unforgettable memories for families, couples, solo travelers, and anyone seeking a wilderness retreat. Concept 1865. Step into the past, ride into the future. Let's take a step back in time and revisit a symbol of innovation, the iconic penny farthing bicycle. Imagine a giant front wheel leading the way. This was cycling in the 1870s, marking the start of a new era in transportation. Fast forward to today, and the concept 1865 breathes new life into this timeless design. It still captures the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. But now, it's not just a relic of history. It's a bridge between past and future. Crafted by skilled artisans, this modern version blends tradition with cutting-edge materials. Think carbon fiber, lightweight foam, and durable plastics. All these come together seamlessly to create a bike that's both sleek and sturdy. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just for show. The Concept 1865 is powered by electricity. A battery is cleverly hidden in the seat for easy access, adding a layer of modern convenience to this classic design. And there's more. LED lights add a stylish touch, giving this nostalgic bike a modern flair. These finishing details make it stand out even more. The prototype is ready, standing as a true testament to an era of creativity and passion. It's not just a bicycle, it's a ride through time, blending the best of both worlds, history and innovation. Eahora Romeo e-bike conquer rough terrain with power and comfort. The Eahora Romeo e-bike is built for adventure, offering two powerful motor options, a 1000W motor or a 1200W motor on the Pro version. Both versions can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it perfect for off-road fun and speedy commutes. With its 26-inch fat tires, this e-bike grips firmly on dirt, sand, and snow, ensuring stability and control. The full suspension system, including an adjustable front fork and rear air shock absorber, guarantees a smooth ride on even the bumpiest trails. Packed with features like a clear display, dual hydraulic brakes for strong stopping power, and a long-lasting battery that covers 100 to 200 miles on a single charge, the Eahora Romeo starts at $1,800, while the Pro version is available for $2,100 on Amazon. Inmotion RS Transportation in Motion. Meet the Inmotion RS, an electric unicycle that's redefining urban commuting. This high-performance ride is designed to make you stand out, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design. It's not just a way to get around, it's a statement. The Inmotion RS is equipped with a powerful motor and an advanced battery system, providing an exciting riding experience. With this unicycle, you can reach speeds that challenge the usual limits of city commuting, turning your everyday ride into something extraordinary. Out of the box, the RS is typically limited to 25 km per hour for safety on public roads. However, for private areas, it can be unlocked to go even faster, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different environments. Whether you're zipping through the city or enjoying a quiet, private ride, the Inmotion RS has you covered. Durability and safety are key features of this unicycle. It's built to last, ensuring that every ride is not only enjoyable but also secure. The Inmotion RS is more than just fun, it's a reliable companion for your daily commute. Priced at over €2,000, the Inmotion RS is an investment in both quality and mobility. Whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on private paths, this electric unicycle promises to keep you engaged and excited on every ride. VANM Electrified. The VANM Electrified is a cutting-edge electric bicycle. It's designed for urban commuters. This bike features automated gears and a matrix display. It has a front-wheel hub motor for smooth rides. The battery is hidden within the frame, keeping the design sleek. Safety is a priority. The VANM Electrified includes anti-theft technology. This consists of a smart lock, an alarm system, and theft tracking. There are two models, the S2 and the X2. These models differ in size, weight, and wheel size. Right now, you can take advantage of a launch offer. The S2 is available for $2,598, and the X2 for $2,798. This is a big discount from the usual prices of $3,098 and $3,398. You also have the option to subscribe to a smart version of the bike. This comes with a monthly fee and a lower initial cost.